If saving money was the answer to retirement, we'd all be financially free by now. But the truth is, saving alone isn't enough. And deep down, you probably already know that. In this video, I'll show you the 3 reasons why the save, save, save model keeps people stuck, and what you can do instead. Point 1. Inflation eats away at your savings. Investing is crucial because inflation erodes the purchasing power of money. For example, if inflation is at 3% annually, $10,000 saved today will only have the equivalent purchasing power of about $7,400 in 10 years. Keeping money in low-interest accounts often results in a loss of wealth over time. If you earn just 1% interest in a low-interest account, the real loss due to inflation can be significant, emphasizing the need to adjust financial strategies for growth. As a result, savers are losing purchasing power each year, making it crucial to seek better savings options available. It's a troubling gap. In this economic landscape, it's essential to explore alternative investment vehicles that may offer higher returns, allowing savers to protect their hard-earned money from the eroding effects of inflation. Taking action now can secure a more stable financial future. Investing your money wisely can yield returns that exceed inflation, ensuring that your savings grow rather than accumulate dust. Reinvesting is crucial. In conclusion, to truly secure your financial future, prioritize reinvesting over merely saving, because smart money management leads to greater wealth accumulation in the long run. Don't let your savings stagnate. Make them work for you. Point 2. Cutting back isn't a wealth strategy. You can't shrink your way to wealth. Trying to save a little by skipping things like daily lattes can be misleading. For instance, if you spend $4 on a latte every day, it totals about 1,460 a year. While this seems significant, it's merely a drop in the bucket when addressing a larger financial issue like a $30,000 annual income gap. In practical terms, to bridge that gap, you would need to find a way to increase your income by roughly $2,500 a month. This means seeking additional revenue streams, pursuing promotions, or acquiring new skills that can boost your earning potential, not just cutting back on small daily expenses. Saving money is important, but it often can't replace the real need for a higher income in the face of substantial financial shortfalls. Budgeting is a powerful tool that brings a significant level of control over your finances. However, it often falls short of providing the freedom many desire. For instance, consider a monthly budget of $2,000 for essential expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. While this structured approach helps you manage your immediate financial obligations, it does not necessarily empower you to pursue opportunities or lifestyle choices beyond basic survival. In fact, according to a study, 60% of individuals who budget report feeling constrained by their financial plans rather than liberated. This illustrates that while budgeting can effectively outline necessary spending, it typically focuses on what is required to make ends meet, rather than facilitating growth or prosperity. To underscore this point, think about the distinction between surviving on a fixed income versus thriving with additional financial flexibility. Those who budget might effectively allocate funds to essentials, but they may miss out on investments that could potentially enhance their quality of life or lead to wealth creation. In a more visual sense, if we imagine a pie chart representing personal finances, the segment dedicated to survival needs could take up 75%, leaving only 25% for growth opportunities. Thus, budgeting provides a roadmap for survival, but it does not necessarily chart a course for thriving. There's a ceiling to cutting expenses, but there is truly no ceiling to earning potential. For instance, while many individuals may find it challenging to trim their monthly expenses to save more than 20%, the opportunities for increasing income can be virtually limitless. By developing a digital income stream, one could potentially increase earnings by 50% or more within a year, depending on the effort and strategy employed. In the realm of digital income, the growth can be exponential. For example, if you start a digital business that generates $1,000 a month, with the right marketing and outreach, you could see that income triple or quadruple, pushing your earnings to $3,000 or $4,000 per month within just a few months. Conversely, cutting back on expenses will often only yield moderate savings that do not significantly change your financial landscape. In summary, focusing on generating digital income opens doors to expansive opportunities, whereas cutting expenses tends to live within a finite framework. The potential for income growth can often represent a pathway to financial freedom, making the investment of time and resources worthwhile. Point 3. Scaling income is the missing link. Income generates ongoing cash flow, while savings are finite. For instance, if a person earns $5,000 monthly, they have a continuous inflow of funds that can cover expenses, interests, and investments. Conversely, if they have $20,000 in savings, once spent, that amount is depleted, illustrating that while savings may last for a period, they will eventually run out if not supplemented by ongoing income. To put it into perspective, after 4 months without additional income, the savings would be exhausted. This highlights the importance of steady income, as it not only replenishes finances but also supports long-term financial health. Digital income allows you to earn more without the constraint of working extra hours. For example, many digital entrepreneurs report scaling their revenues significantly. Some achieve growth rates of 200% to 500% in just a year. This means you can generate income from online sources, such as e-commerce, online courses, or affiliate marketing, and make substantial profits regardless of the number of hours you invest. With digital income, the traditional notion of time equating to money is transformed, creating opportunities to leverage automation, reach global markets, and enjoy financial freedom while maintaining a flexible lifestyle. Legacy Builder 2.0 has allowed me to grow my business with minimal tech expertise effectively. This system has led to significant expansion while I worked part-time, showcasing its user-friendly nature. No technical skills required. There's no need to worry about having a product because the program includes 4 ready-made offerings that are highly sought after, along with master resale rights. Additionally, you don't need to have thousands of social media followers, as the program provides numerous strategies to attract customers and cultivate a dedicated audience. What's your experience been with trying to save your way to retirement? Comment below. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through how to actually build retirement income online, even if you're starting later in life.